See, whether you are non-veg or not, you like sausage or not, this orecchiette is gonna be amazing, especially during those busy work day weeks. Orecchiette is just fun to have, and this is very easy to make. Starting with the homemade Calabrian pepper chicken sausage. So here's some mince, then I have some Calabrian chili paste over here. You can chop up actual peppers as well. You get them in a jar usually, and add that instead if you feel like. Then here are some finely chopped chilies, just for some extra heat. And I'm gonna grind up some anise seeds. I already have some ground up fennel, and then add some of that anise and fennel in there. That really helps to make it very fragrant. A bit of honey for sweetness, a touch of water which kind of helps meld and mix everything together well with the sausage. Season that with salt and pepper, and then just work at it and mix everything really well until it looks like this. Now set that aside for now and cook your pasta. Make sure to season the water and make sure it's at a rolling boil. Then grab a pan, add some olive oil, let that get hot, and then add in your minced garlic. Then add in your onions. A pinch of salt always helps to render them down and get them soft. And once they have become soft, add in that chicken sausage from earlier. I did make 2 batches earlier, so I'm gonna add half of what I made. Then you wanna work to kind of break up any large chunks of meat as you cook out any rawness from the outside of the sausage. Don't worry about right now cooking it all the way through, just get everything sealed on the outside. Then you can add in your tomatoes. These are just some chopped up San Marzano style tomatoes in a can, and I just prefer that variety because it's just nice and sweet and the color is amazing. For some extra heat, I'm gonna add some more of the Calabrian chili peppers in the sauce as well. Again, you can use whole peppers that have been kind of chopped up, or a paste. It's also called bomba in some stores. Season that with salt and then add in some homemade Italian seasoning. I have a recipe. If you like, I'll link it down below for you to find. You want to have that pan now on medium low to low and just gently cook down the sauce until most of the moisture has evaporated, because you will be saving some of the pasta cooking water to thin out the dish if you need it. So this looks good to me. The orecchiette is ready, so add it in here and then give it a good little mix. Make sure it's well coated with the sauce and there's no stacking happening with the orecchiette. And before you thin it out with pasta water, add some cream. That's gonna thin it out, and if you want more, add more water. Then it's a matter of garnishing it with finely grated pecorino romano cheese, some fresh basil, and then just gobbling up a couple forkfuls of this amazing pasta dinner. And you really need to have this, have it without the sausage, because it's the combination of the bomba, the tomatoes, and this fun orecchiette shape, like almost like bowls of pasta that's served in a bowl, that just kind of makes it fun. And I want you to try it. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you on the next one.